Hello, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting the lecture number 3 for the PYQs of surface areas and volumes, class 10th maths. This chapter is very important. Obviously, it's having at least 6 to 10 marks of weightage. So, you must all actually have the fluent practice to solve these PYQs. Okay. So, we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. I guess I am clearly audible and visible. Yes or no in the comments? I guess everything is going smooth enough so we can start the lecture ASAP. We are already late today. So, yes or no in the comments? I'm clearly audible and visible. Yes or no? I think a big yes. Okay, so we can start the lecture in next 1 minute. Till then, you can share the link with all your friends. In this lecture, obviously, we'll be solving case-based study questions, and along with case-based study questions, we'll be having good MCQs also. Yes, MCQ, the most confusing part. MCQ, we'll be solving that also. Don't worry. Don't worry. So my voice is very much clear, I think so. Okay. Can we start the lecture? Yes, I think yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay, let's start the lecture now. So this is the PYQ lecture number 3 for the chapter surface area and volumes, class 10 maths. Now, how many of you remember the formula for surface area of hemisphere? What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? Anyone in the comments? What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? Yes, come on, anyone? What is the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere? Anyone in the comments? Can I have the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere? Curved surface area of hemisphere. Anyone? Yes, so that's 2 pi r square. See, uh, let me have this question. I guess this question we have done in the last lecture. This we have to do right now. Okay. Yes, sir. This lecture, this question we have to do right now. Okay. Now, 2 pi r square. Yes, very good. Faceless feeds. Very good, Akash. Excellent. Now see, there is a formula. Let's have it this side. There's a formula for, say this is a hemisphere, okay? Fine. Uh, we have been asked that what is the total surface area of hemisphere? Anyone in the comments? What is the total surface area of hemisphere? Anyone? Tell me. What's the formula for total surface area of hemisphere? Anyone? Very good. 3 pi r square. How? Because this curved one, curved surface area plus area of top. Top means circle. Yes or no? So we'll have what? 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So that's come out to be 3 pi r square, right? Same, same things we have to follow with cylinders and cones also. Yes or no? Now check. Now you know this. Yes or no? Now are you comfortable with this? What I have written? So you can copy this. Done. Try to actually not just, you don't have to just memorize. Just think. Try to think. Try to think also. Wait. Let me clear my specs. Okay, so we are good to start. Now, let's come on to this question. Now, what the question says? See, question says there's a canal. This canal is 300 centimeter wide, that means 3 meter, and 120 centimeter deep, that means 1.2 meter deep. The water in the canal is flowing with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. This is the canal. Water is flowing at 20 kilometers per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is at? That means what? There is a land. There is a land. Okay. Now this land is what? This will be in the form of a rectangle, length into breadth. Okay. This is a land, length into breadth. Okay. Now, how much area? So you have to find the area of this land, length into breadth. You have to find out. Okay. If 8 centimeter of standing water is required, that means what? If this is a land and this standing water is required, that means what figure will it form? What kind of figure this is going to form? Say, see, this book is the land, this is length, this is breadth, okay, and 8 centimeter of standing water is required. So this height, see, the base of this book is the land, and see, the thickness of this book is standing water. So this standing water is required. That means it will form a shape of cuboid. This book is a cuboid. Same, imagine that this is a land and it is water filled. It is water filled above this land. Okay. It is water, nothing but water. See, the base of this book is the land and this is standing water. So this thickness is actually the standing water. So what kind of figure is this? This is what? This is a cuboid, right? So the land with the water filled above it will form a cuboid. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. I think you all must have understood this scene. Yes or no? Thanks so much, Faceless Feeds. Thanks so much. Thanks so much, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for this amazing love always. Yes or no? Thank you. So can we move forward if the point is clear? Okay, sir. Let's move forward. So this is nothing but a cuboidal shape, right? Yes, sir. Now, the standing water is required. So this is clear that this land will form a cuboid if water is filled above it. Okay, standing water of 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter would mean 8 by 100 meters. Unit must be same in meters. Now, water is flowing through this canal at a speed of 20 km per hour. Now, time is given 20 minutes. So, speed is given 20 km per hour. Time is given in minutes. So, we have to calculate the speed in meters per second. Yes or no? So, speed is actually equals to, where is the speed? Okay, here's the speed. So, volume is LBH, first thing. So, what is length? What is length? Length, I'm not given. No, sir, I am not given. This cuboid I can find out. See, this canal is 300 meter wide and 1.2 meter in height. And inside this canal, there is water. Inside this canal, there is what? There is water. See, this water is flowing. Yes or no? Yes. Now, this water is flowing like this, and this water will come and go into this land. Okay. So, this will also form a cuboid, length, height, and this actually the length is not known, the width is known, the height is known, but the length is not known. How will we find the length? By using distance formula. Distance equal to speed into time. So speed is what? 20 kilometers per hour. Time is given. So speed into time, we'll be getting the distance that each water particle have to travel this much of distance. This water particle, this much of distance. Every water particle is coming like this from here to here. Now this water particle will have to come here just to get past to this tank. Yes or no? To this land. So we have to find the distance traveled by each water particle. That will form a kind of cuboid only in the canal. So L into B into H. What is length? Length is 1.2 meters. Into what is breadth? Breadth is 3. And what is height? Height is 1.2. Now, how you find this length? How we are going to find this length? See, this speed is in kilometer per hour. Change this time into hours. Change this time into hours. So 20 by 60, that means 1 by 3. So time equals 20 minutes, that means 20 by 60, 1 by 3 hours. Speed is in kilometer per hour. So when you multiply speed by time, you'll be getting distance in kilometers. So distance is what? 20 by 3 kilometers. That means 20,000 upon 3 meter. Now you put this meter in this volume formula. You put this meter in this volume formula. So volume equals to L into B into H. Now you'll do what? You'll do simple length into breadth into height. This length, that is 20,000 by 3. What is breadth? It is 300. That, oh, 3 meters, sorry. And what is height? It is 1.2. So this volume came out to be 20,000 into 1.2. 20,000 into 1.2. Now, how to calculate this? How to calculate this? Now this is volume, and this is volume of this land, L into B into H. So L into V is area. I have written area. So area into base. What is base? Area of base. This is A. And what is height? It is 8 by 100. So A into 8 by 100, you just equate it with this. You have to just equate this thing. That's it. And you will be having your answer. You will be having your answer. Just you have to focus on this equation, which I have just highlighted. Okay. This volume is actually equals to area of base into height. Volume of this reservoir canal equals to volume of this land. Okay. So this way you can calculate area equals to 300,000. That means 33 lakh meter square, and 1 hectare is actually equals to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is actually equals to 10,000 meter squares. This you have to use this relation. Okay. This will have the area as 30 hectares. So giving you 5 minutes, just start copying this. Complete question is in front of you. Start copying. So speed given है ना? Yes, speed is given. Obviously, yes. Speed is given. Just copy it fast so that we can move forward. Done. Can we move forward? I think it's done now. Yes or no? Anyone? Anyone? Mm-hmm. Done. Okay, let's go. So this was question number third of the series. Okay. Next question. Again, this same type of question. This you have to practice. Water is flowing at the rate of 5 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 50-meter long and 44-meter wide. Determine the time in which the level of the water in the tank will rise by 7 centimeters. Now, how to solve this? Just see. How to solve this? Check. Water is flowing in this tank. This actually this pipe is of what? This is a circular pipe, right? This pipe is cylindrical in shape. Diameter is given. So this much diameter is given. So radius will be dias 14, radius will be 7, right? And this height is h. So volume will be pi r square h. How to find this h? Same, speed equal to distance into time. Now this water is flowing in this tank, right? Same question. Determine the time in which the level of the water in the tank will rise by 7 centimeter. This is 7 lbh, volume of this tank. Pi r square, this h, volume of this cylindrical pipe. Now, how to find h? Distance equal to speed into time. You have to do like this. Same. Let the time is x hours. So distance will be 5 into x. That means 5x kilometers. So this kilometers you have to convert in meters. 5000 x meters. This you have to put over in this formula. Pi r square h. For your practice, solution is given. Take the screenshot or take whatever you want. Volume of cylinder equals to volume of cuboid. And this way you have to solve. Right? I've shown, but you have to practice this question by yourself. Next question, same question it is. Now, same water in a canal, this is the same question. We are not going to repeat. A solid is in the shape of a hemisphere. This we can do. A solid is in the shape of a hemisphere. Done. We can move forward. A solid is in the shape of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. If the radius of hemisphere and base radius of cone is 7 centimeter and height of cone is this, find the volume of solid. So let's say this is the solid. Volume of solid, that means volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That's it. What is the formula for volume of hemisphere? So please show back. What back you have to see? See this question. See this question. This question we have done. This is for your practice. This is also for your practice. Same question it is like that of earlier one, right? Now this question we have to do right now. Now, radius of hemisphere and base radius is 7. That means this radius is what? The radius of hemisphere and base radius of cone is 7 centimeter. Okay. If the radius of hemisphere and base radius is 7 centimeter, that means r is equals to 7 centimeter. It's given. And height of cone is 3.5. This height is 3.5. Okay. Find the volume of the solid. So volume will be what? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. This formula you must remember. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now take this pi r square common. It will be easier for you. So pi r square by 3 is common. Here it will be only h plus, see, this pi r square is common. So r will be left and 3 is already gone outside. So 2r will be there. Same question we have done previously also. Just put the values and get the answer. Do it yourself and tell me what is the answer. I am waiting for you guys. Okay, do it yourself and tell me what is the answer. Take 3-4 minutes. Do it yourself and tell me the answer. Put the values. Values is given. This already is shown to you. Lower part I am not going to show you. You solve and get me the answer. Come on. How many of you are present in the class? Tell me. How many of you are present in the class? Tell me. First. How many of you are present in the class? Tell me. Okay, okay, okay. Get the answer. Come on, fast. Let's see who is calculating and who is just time passing. Network is not stable. We'll be ending this live class. Okay, so we have got the message from our team that we'll be ending this live class. Okay, anyways, we'll see till when does it go smooth. We'll see. Don't worry. Okay, do it fast. One more question we can do. Done. One 54. Okay. Into 5.81. Good, 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 good. Now calculate it. It will come out to be 897.82. Okay. It will come out to be 897.82. 897.82. Okay. So I think this is very much clear. So volume will be what? 898.33. Sorry. 898.33 centimeter cube. Okay. 898.33 centimeter cube is the answer for this question. Next. A solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. You must have seen this question in NCERT also in the form of gulab jamun. There is a cylinder, hemisphere here, right? So this kind of question is there. Now, the total height of the solid is 20. This total is 20, okay? And the diameter of the cylinder is 7. This dia is 7, so radius will be 3.5. So this is 3.5, this is 3.5. So how to get the height of this cylinder? Tell me, how to get height of the cylinder? This complete is 20. This is 3.5. This is 3.5. 7. So 20 minus 7, that means 13 centimeter, right? So that's it. We have to close this live class right now. It is having some problem, I think, at our network side. So we'll be continuing tomorrow. Don't worry. Don't worry. So this is question number 7. You have to practice it by yourself. I am leaving. This answer is what? Answer for this amazing and beautiful question is 680.17. 680.17 centimeter cube. Okay. So you must calculate it and get the answer. You must add the volumes hemisphere, and one cylinder. 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube, and pi r square h. Add them and get the answer. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.